Okay, another word which a very common word is dragonfly. Dragonfly. Dragon is a compound word. It can exist alone. It is a root word. It can exist alone. Fly again is a root word. It can also exist alone. And you know, when these two root words are combined, they give you an altogether new word. This is one condition. They give you an altogether new word. And second condition is that they also give you a new meaning. Okay?
Yes.
So this was a rule about close compound words. Yeah. If on the other hand two words are not stuck together, yet the combination is quite obvious. If the words are, the root words are not combined together, why are they not combined together? Because the combination is quite obvious. Then you get an open compound word. For example, high school. This is how you write high school. This is how you write senior secondary. They are compound words, but they are open compound words because the combination is obvious. Right? And any other word can you think of? Autumn break, for example. Summer break, or say winter break. These are all open compound words. So we have understood close compound. I repeat, have you understood or not? If the two words are not stuck together, these two words are not stuck together, yet the combination is quite obvious. So we can call it open compound. And these are the examples. Now the third. Third type of compound words are called as hyphenated compound words. Hyphenated compound words are not that difficult. Yes, they have a hyphen in between. If the two words combine an adjective, remember, an adjective and a noun, they would form a hyphenated compound. For example, one-eyed man. One-eyed. Now, one-eyed is an adjective, and man is noun. So, when you combine, but this is not always so. Okay. Now, see, this is also like if your number words here, then also like 10 rupee note, for example. So, if your number words, then you have a hyphen. One-eyed man. So, this is adjective and this is noun. Okay, or 10 rupee note, as I said. Okay. So there are three types of compound words: closed compound words, open compound words, and hyphenated compound words. Now let us have more and more examples of them. Now let us begin with closed. Closed compound words. And keep writing them fast. For example, classmate. Classmate, schoolmate, classroom, roommate, for example, homework or classwork. I'm speaking, I'm not writing all the words, so you must know that they are all close compound words. Necklace. These are two words, they are combined together, they are stuck together, and they are giving us, see, neck necklace. Yeah. And say eyebrow, eyelash, eyeshadow, yeah, okay, eyeshadow, good. Eyeshadow, you know, can be written as a closed compound word, and it can also be written as an open compound word. You must have seen like this also. This is okay. This is true. This is okay. Both ways. This is all right. Even if you write like this is also okay, because both are acceptable. But this is not so with every word. This is an exception. Same as easygoing or say light here. We have had examples. Schoolwork, homework, schoolwork, or say driveway. You can also like come with examples like password you have,
birthday,
password, username and all. Yes, and even username you write like this. Computer board I'm just reminded of, for example, keyboard. I'm sorry I couldn't hear. You said something? Yes? Birthday. Yes, good. Birthday. Very nice. And? Worldwide. Very good. World Wide Web, you write. Worldwide. Very nice. Worldwide. Or say basketball, volleyball, football, all these games. Volleyball, football. Remember, you know, suppose if you know volleyball, so you would know that other words would also be written like this, like football, baseball, handball, softball. So they can all be written as closed compound words. Yeah. Now, say for example, handshake, handmade. So handmade, or handshake, milkshake, they are also written as closed compound words. Yes, think of they are, you know, say innumerable words. Sunrise, sunset, television, okay, good. Television, very nice. Wholesale, good. Wholesale. Spaceship, yeah, spaceship, good. Yes, spaceship. And yeah, and you know, like sometimes, anytime, yeah, all these words, you know, time phrases, I mean, anytime. 10 more time phrases, and anybody, somebody, all these words would be written this way. Somebody,
everywhere,
anywhere. These are all compound words. Okay, let's have more examples of close, as many as we can have. What are we doing? We are having examples on close compound words. And please keep writing them down very fast, because it, you know, it's a very easy topic. Close compound words. Yeah, for example, seafood. Seafood or Thai food. You know, seafood is very popular in Thailand. So seafood, Thai food. Yes, come on. And say peanut. It's the same spelling here. You have peanut. Yes. Milkshake. Okay, milkshake. No, milkshake I already done. Written. Ponytail. Yes. Yeah. Homesick. I discussed homemade, so homesick. You know, like once you know that homemade is written as a closed compound word, so it should be obvious to you that homesick too would be written this way. है ना?
Forward.
Forward, okay, forward, backward, good. Forward, backward,
Inside, outside.
inside, outside, right? This is how. Inside, outside, and so these are all compound words. What do you notice here? You know, all words are root words. Means it's a combination of two root words. These close compound words are combination of two root words. They are giving you a new word. Okay, when they join, when they are combined, they are giving you a new word, and they are also giving a new meaning. Teaspoon, tablespoon, for that matter. See, teaspoon, teaspoon, tablespoon,
Mailbox.
mailbox, good. Mailbox, yes.
Snowball.
Snowball, okay. We have discussed volleyball, softball, snowball, and even mailbox reminds me of postman, milkman. You know, like if you have only, if you have just one compound, like you say man, but if you have a word before it, like you don't say it man, postman, milkman. This is how you pronounce it. Yes. So how is it? Have you like sidewalk, skyscraper, suntan? Okay, suntan, very common word. Suntan, or say sunburn, or sunburnt.
Daydream.
Daydream, good. Daydream, yes, right. Daydream, yes. Earthquake, yes. I couldn't hear you, please.
Mainstream.
Mainstream, okay, mainstream. Mainstream, nice. Very good. Courtyard, backyard, or say zigzag. These are all newborn, yearbook. They can be, you know, number of. I don't know. Like when I asked you to write 10 compound words, many students did not write 10 compound words. They gave me, you know, their answer sheets just with 6, 7. I was taken aback. I was really shocked. Means they couldn't think of even 10 words, and there can be thousands of compound words. So prepare around 100 close compound words. Okay? So any new word you are giving me? Close compound, firecracker, or shall we move on to the next one? Firecracker. Yes. Or say pen handle. A pen with a handle is called as pen handle. Yes. Newlyweds.
Seafood.
Seafood, yeah. Seafood I have discussed. Newlyweds. I will not call it brainstorming. It's not brainstorming. Brainstorm, yes, again, is a compound word. Is brainstorming, what does it mean, brainstorm? Means thinking a lot. When you are made to think. When you are made to thinking deeply. Yeah. Or say babysit. Very commonly used. Babysit. Working ladies especially, they arrange for a babysit who can look after their kids in their absence. Yes. Or runway, warehouse, yearbook. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. So now we move on to the next